guys, welcome to another YouTube video, but today we have a new special toy. This isn't sponsored, by the way, so yeah. I think this might, even though it says Target Rifle Black? It isn't even black, are they colorblind or something? And then, yeah, I think it's Pump Shotgun. Correct me if it's not, but yeah, so it's quite cool, and this was £4, so let's open it. Right, so this might be really hard to open or not. So if it is a bit too hard to open, then I'm gonna have to ask my trusty dad to try and open it, but I don't know, seems alright, I guess, but let's go to the back to see if I'm doing something wrong. Oh, yeah, I think I am, as standard. Make sure, guys, ask an adult to help, like I'm going to ask right now. Dad, could you open it for me? Because, this, like, if you've got, like, a knife or, like, a scissors, just make sure to ask your dad to, or parents, to open it, because sharp things are quite, whoa! Okay, so back to me. We're just gonna open this. Oh, yeah. Wouldn't even believe it. Yeah, great. I hate this. I actually hate this. But it's okay. I've got scissors. Oh, okay. Isn't that bad? Okay, these are the dots. They're quite flexible and definitely stick, as they are meant to. So we got 4 dots here, and they're actually a really nice colour, to be fair. So I think what you have to do, oh my god, this is so weird. I think I'm holding it right. So you just load this like that. Jeez.
It's the window.
Alright, let's show it on the window. Follow me, Dad, please do. This is quite weird. Alright, so. Yeah, Jeremy, I like this gun. How much for it? Like $5? No. Yeah, this is actually really cool. So, yeah. So, let's do really quick. One more. Jeremy, I like this gun, but the real question is, can it stick? It literally just does, but yeah, it sticks. Just had to do it. Right, yeah, so right, we're outside now, as you can see, and we're gonna test it out. So yeah, let's do it. That's good. Alright, so there's nothing really to stick on it.
I've got an idea. I'll put it there, look. And I'll go down the garden to pick them up, shall I? I'll go down the garden to pick them up.
Yeah, okay. Actually, I'm going to set it up here because you probably can't see me, you know. I'm definitely going to cut this bit out. So. Alright. Oh no. Oh no. What the hell? No.